Do your kids' drawers look like this? Mine do. Such a mess. They don't even close. Like, hello, beautiful ladies. Welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope your day is going well. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Today, I'm going to be tackling some organization. My kids' drawers are looking absolutely crazy and unorganized. If your kids are anything like mine, sometimes they just throw their stuff into the drawer when they get home from school or take off their play clothes or anything like that. So I am attempting to tackle this today. This is sort of inspired by the Kon Mari method, which is a way to organize and fold your clothes. So I'm going to actually put my spin on it, my realistic spin, something that I can keep up with every time I'm washing and folding clothes. So yes, I am going to be dumping all of their clothes out and refolding them and kind of utilizing the space that I have in the drawer a little bit better. If you follow me on Snapchat, I posted about reorganizing the drawers and I showed kind of like a before and after, and that was the first time I tried this folding method and it worked so well. I had so much space in the drawers, but within a week it got right back to normal. So I'm trying to really show my kids and kind of teach them how to place their things in the drawer a little bit neater rather than just throwing them in there. So hopefully I can keep it up and hopefully it works. But if you need some motivation to get some organizing done, and if your kids' drawers look anything like mine, keep on watching. Okay, so here is the after. This is my youngest son's drawer. He's 3, so he can't really reach his drawer, which means it stays a little bit more neat. But here is his drawer. And here is my oldest son's drawer. I just separated everything from shirts, pants, long sleeve shirts, and then more pants here. And then there is so much more room to spare where this drawer was completely full of clothes before. It's like so much space now. And here is my middle son's drawer. So yep, just shirts and long sleeve shirts, and then pants, and then some jeans here. Still a lot of room to spare, so I love this technique. So hopefully I can keep this up. I am not the greatest of folders, and I'm so used to being the world's sloppiest folder that I hope that I can just sit down and take the time to fold the clothes like this. That way they will be more organized and more accessible. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope that it was helpful and motivating. If it was, give me a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by again. And please subscribe for more videos. I am a mother, I'm a wife, and I enjoy making these home inspiration and lifestyle type videos. So if you enjoy things like that, stick around for more. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.